My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Performlatesthighlytheproduct.vip. Performlatesthighlytheproduct.vip is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome browser. The purpose of this deceptive website is to trick people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions into Google Chrome. If you mistakenly install any of such fake updates, you are actually installing the extensions that function as browser hijacking extensions, or some versions of these extensions may operate as adware that will keep displaying a lot of ads not related to the sites that you visit. Therefore, you should not interact with these deceptive pop-ups and not to install anything that they suggest. If any third-party extensions were installed, you should access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So disable and remove any third-party extensions in case you find them. Finally, I recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Go to this official website of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.